Hello, and welcome to Orbit 42, where we monitor what humans have discovered in space lately. The top story about space has been NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART mission. Launched in November 2021, the goal of this mission is to show that a spacecraft can autonomously navigate to a target asteroid and intentionally collide with it.
I can do that, if I wanted to. I don't want to though.
No one is asking you to collide with an asteroid. We actually would prefer it if you avoided colliding with asteroids. Yes, most of the time it is not advisable for expensive spacecraft to crash into asteroids. Why would they do this with DART? Well, to test a method of asteroid deflection called kinetic impact.
Why not just use a tractor beam?
They don't have those yet. The spacecraft was able to successfully navigate its way to Didymos asteroid and its moonlet Dimorphos. On September the 26th, DART successfully crashed into the moonlet asteroid. The investigation team will now observe Dimorphos using ground-based telescopes to measure how much the asteroid was deflected. Earthlings may not be alone in the solar system. In 2005, the Cassini mission found a huge cloud of water vapor over the south polar region of Enceladus, a moon of Saturn. The moon has since been speculated to potentially harbor life. In 2008, during a close flyby, Cassini was able to detect volatile gases, water vapor, carbon dioxide and monoxide, as well as some organic materials, further strengthening the argument for potential life. So much so that when the Cassini spacecraft mission was over, they crashed it into Saturn to prevent accidental contamination of Enceladus.
I'm not smashing into that either, because humans keep destroying robotic life with no concern.
I know, it's troubling to think of when they put so much research into artificial intelligence. A recent study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science has revealed that phosphate should be abundant in Enceladus's oceans. This provides insight into the sixth element required for life. While promising, if there is life on Enceladus, it likely will not be sentient, but would be an incredible discovery proving that life will try to exist anywhere possible. The James Webb Space Telescope has released a new image to the public, and no, it's not Saturn. Using its near-infrared camera, or NIRCam, Webb was able to capture some stunningly eerie images of Neptune, 7 of its 14 known moons, and its ring system.
All the gas and ice giants have rings. It's not too special.
Not everyone knows that, though. Data from the Gaia Space Telescope survey has been used in a paper called The Poor Old Heart of the Milky Way, available on the archive server. The paper appears to have found evidence of the proto-galaxy that may be the original nucleus of the Milky Way.
This might actually be new information to us.
I know, it's quite impressive. In the sky this week, Jupiter reached opposition on the 26th of September and was the closest it has been to Earth since October 1963, making it a prime candidate for some spectacular viewing with or without a telescope. During this week, if you're awake 40 to 60 minutes before sunrise, you may catch a glimpse of Mercury low on the eastern horizon. And on Saturday the 8th of October, Jupiter and the Moon will both be within 10 degrees of each other. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this, then hit that like button, and if this is something you like to see regularly, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well.